Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy ALin, and we back today with another video for you guys, man. And you know I do these videos for the people, so y'all might as well go subscribe to the channel, leave a like, leave a comment, you feel me? Because I'm not doing this for me, I'm doing this for the people, man. So we're back today with another sneaker review. You guys should already know by the title, it's another Yeezy review. And you guys love it, man. Clearly, every time I drop a Yeezy 350 review, I love it. So, you know, I gotta keep on my end of the bargain, you feel me? I gotta get these releases, and I gotta get you the shoe review. So today, we are here with the Yeezy 350 V2 Natural. That is the colorway they're calling it online. But the colorway on the box is abs. Or Abes. I don't know. ABEZ. You feel me? That's what they're reading. As you guys can see, it's a size 9. Regular Yeezy box, man. Boost on the side, 350 on the top. Made by Adidas. And, you know. Yes, sir. Background of this shoe, you know, not really too much background. It's just another Yeezy release that was coming out. I wasn't anticipating it much just because, like, Carbon's just released 2 weeks ago, I think. And then the Mocha ones are coming out next week. So this one just basically got like skipped by a lot of like people. And I looked at the shoe and I was telling my friends, I was like, yo, this is not a bad shoe to buy for like base sizes. So, you know, like I'm saying, like I think base sizes will be pretty good on this shoe just because it's a light color, like a lighter color Yeezys. And base size always do good in Yeezys, man. You can't go wrong with base size Yeezys. Base sizes are size 4 to size 7.5. Call it bays for your bay, girl size, whatever, man. I didn't make up the terminology. I'm just following, you feel me? Maybe I should make up my own terminology, you feel me? Like, so without further ado, let's hop into the unboxing. I personally said this shoe was gonna be a drop, but it doesn't look too bad. Just a lot of Yeezy V2s coming out, 350s. So yeah, man, I'm holding y'all up. Let's hop into the unboxing, man. Ooh, y'all like how I did that, huh? Y'all like how I did that, eh? So you guys already know Yeezys 350s. They come with I keep saying you guys already know. I gotta treat this video like you guys don't have a pair of Yeezys. So Yeezys 350s, they come with this paper. It should be a little bit of shine to it. If your paper doesn't have a shine to it, it might be fake. I'm just a Yeezy expert at this moment. But yeah, without further ado, let's see what's going on. First look at this shoe, man. First look with y'all at this shoe. Not a bad looking shoe at all. I'll be bringing you guys a little B-roll. You know how we always do. We're just gonna hop straight into the breakdown of this shoe. As you guys can see, the upper is a prime knit upper, and it is white knitting, and it's followed like with the designs of like tan and beige, and then with a tan split, like after the line right there. After the line, it splits into like more of a darker tan color. And like I said, I think this is a, you know, pretty clean upper for a pair of Yeezys, and it's like a creamish lace that it comes with, and it's doing the, you know, the new lace look that all Yeezys have nowadays. It's like the I don't know what the heck calling it. They're calling it like infinity lace. I don't know what the hell, but they also give you guys the regular laces on the side, which is, you know, cool. You know, that's just what they're doing now, I guess. Yeah, man, one thing I dislike about this shoe is the midsole. So going back into the breakdown, the midsole is like a yellow, and it's like a, you know, that expired cheese yellow, and I really don't like that color. If they did it like a cream or a white, it would be a lot cleaner. I don't know why they decided to do this like expired yellow. And then the outsole is like a nutmeg color. And see, if they just put this color for the outsole on the midsole, I personally think this shoe would be very, very clean for a Yeezy. But overall, I still think this is a pretty clean shoe. I just really dislike the midsole sizing on Yeezy 350s. You guys already know the drill. Go half size up if you want more comfortability. Or you could go true to size. Like, I'm a size 9. I wear size 9 in Yeezys, but that's because I'm a true 8.5, 9. I'm like in between a sweet spot. Like, if I get an 8.5, sometimes it'd be too tight, but if I get a 9, sometimes it'd be too like loose. So, you know, it all depends on the shoe. So this shoe, if you guys are like me and, you know, are between two sizes, then just go with the bigger size. So 8.5 and 9, I'll get the 9. But if you guys are a solid, like let's say size 9, I would suggest getting a 9.5, but size 9 will still fit. The Yeezys this year has been doing this like clear stripe. Before they used to do like solid color blocking stripes, but this year they're doing like a clear stripe. I guess to show off your socks. You can see your socks. Like if I put my finger in here, you could probably see my finger. And they're doing the clear stripe thing, man. It's not like clear, it's like a see-through stripe. Like the Israfils had the orange. This one is having like a beige color, which is pretty clean. Like I said, I really like the colorway on this shoe. Besides the freaking midsole, man. The midsole is really, really bad. Comfort-wise, I always tell you guys, you can't go wrong with a Yeezy shoe when it comes to comfort, man. I don't know, they just figured out the formula. Like, even if you don't like Yeezy anymore, you still have to respect that it's one of the most comfortable shoes out there. The boost technology, the caged boost, it's just solid, man. It's just super solid. Still one of the best technologies out there. Prime knit on the upper, makes it breathable, soft, and just comfortable, man. Like comfortability, I have to say Yeezy 350s, probably like 9.5 out of 10, man. The only thing about some Yeezys, like it gets tight around this area, but comfort, super comfortable. Can't go wrong with it. And this is like a summer shoe. I don't know why they're releasing it at the end of fall, but yeah, man, whatever they feel like doing. So let's get into the resell and resale prediction of this shoe. I personally think that this shoe is gonna be all right, man. There's less quantity of these than the carbons, and it's more of like a white Yeezy. You gotta think like white color-based Yeezys, particularly like the cream ones. The creams are to the moon, but that's a classic. Zebras, pretty good. Any other like white, solely white upper, Yeezys usually do pretty good if you think about it. So personally, I think that sizes 4 to 7.5, base sizes, they're gonna go for a lot like in the future, man. So sell me your shoes before they go up. But men's sizes, there's a lot of pairs out there. So those will probably be close to retail. So, you know, I would suggest just dump those for now. There's better stuff to invest in than these. But if you guys want to hold, you guys can hold Yeezys still to this day. Probably hold these for a couple months and, you know, you'll make your money, man. You'll make your money. So that wraps up the full review of this shoe right here. I'm going to cut to an on-foot look for you guys. And big shout out to my man EC Layer for these because I didn't go after these in person. Got it like 1 or 2 pairs online. So yeah, man, big shout out to him. And when we come back from the on-foot look, we're going to wrap it up with a final opinion, man. So I'll catch you guys when we come back. So coming back from the on foot look, as you guys can see on feet, these are pretty clean. Like I've been telling you guys, the only thing I really dislike was like the super yellow midsole, man. And it's a brand new shoe. There's no reason why the midsole should be this yellow. But like I said, I'm over Yeezy 350s. Like there's just been so many of these dropping every other day, every other week. And I'm just over it, man. I'm just over it. I'll probably cop the breads when they come out because that's one of my favorite ones, and I beat those to the ground. But don't let my opinion affect what you guys like. Like what you like, man. I'm just a person on the internet giving you guys my opinions. Extremely comfortable shoe, solid colorway, can't go wrong with it. So if you guys want to cop up, man. That's just my opinions, and that's the end of this review, guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure y'all leave a like, leave a comment for me, leave some feedback, man. And this your boy ALin, and I'm out.